In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Clickup. If you've ever felt limited by default options and wished for a way to tailor your workspace to meet your unique needs, this tutorial is just for you. Follow these steps, and together we'll ensure your Clickup setup is both efficient and personalized to perfection. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. Once you're there, you'll notice the Login button conveniently placed in the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click and proceed by selecting Continue with Google. From here, simply choose the Google account you want to use. This seamless integration makes it easy to access your Clickup workspace without any hassle. After successfully logging in, turn your attention to the left panel of the page. This is where you'll find all your workspaces. Click on the workspace that you're aiming to customize. It's essential to ensure you're working within the right one because each workspace functions as a distinct entity within Clickup. Now that you're in the right workspace, shift your gaze to the top right corner of the screen. You'll find a button labeled Customize. Clicking this will open up a realm of possibilities, allowing you to tailor your workspace to better suit your needs. Once you've opened the customization options, look for Fields. Clicking on this reveals all the available fields within your current workspace setup. If you want to introduce new fields, you'll see an option that says Create Field. By clicking on it, you're taking the first step towards enhancing your workflow. When creating a new field, you'll want to thoughtfully consider the type that best suits your data and needs. Clickup offers a variety of options, so whether you're looking to add numerical data, text, dates, or something else entirely, you'll find there's a field type that fits perfectly. Once you've settled on a field type, it's time to give it a name. Naming your field accurately is crucial for keeping your workspace organized and ensuring that anyone collaborating with you can easily understand its purpose. After naming your field, you'll need to decide on the fill method. This choice determines how data will be entered and interacted with in your field. Pick the option that aligns best with your workflow. Finally, after completing all these steps, double-check your settings to ensure everything is to your liking. Once satisfied, click on Create. And there you have it, a custom field that's ready to be used, helping make your Clickup workspace uniquely yours. Remember, making use of custom fields can be a game changer in optimizing productivity and personalizing your digital workspace. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to create more custom fields in the future. Happy customizing!